Should I upgrade to a smart thermostat? Yes, it is usually worth upgrading if your current thermostat is old, your heating and cooling system is compatible, and you want easier control and possible energy savings. A smart thermostat connects to your home's wireless internet and lets you control the temperature from a phone, tablet, or the thermostat itself. It can learn your schedule, lower the heating or cooling when nobody is home, and adjust the temperature before you return. This can reduce wasted energy, but the savings depend on your weather, home insulation, equipment, and temperature habits. A useful feature that many people overlook is temperature history, which shows when your system runs and can help you notice poor insulation, a dirty filter, or equipment that needs service. Some models also detect when a room is occupied, use outdoor weather information, or remind you to replace the air filter. Before buying one, check whether it works with your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system and whether it needs a common wire for steady power. If you rent, live in a very old home, or rarely change the temperature, a simpler programmable thermostat may be a better choice. Look for local utility rebates, because some energy companies offer money back for approved models. A common mistake is buying a thermostat without checking compatibility, so take a picture of the existing wiring and compare it with the manufacturer's requirements first. Another mistake is setting extreme temperatures to heat or cool the house faster, but that usually does not work, so choose a reasonable setting and let the system run normally. Some people also assume that thermostat alone will create large savings, so use its schedule, seal drafts, replace filters, and maintain the equipment to get the best results. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.